What?
All right, so the human body is as strange as it gets. Check out some impossible things most human beings cannot do.
So some people can.
It's Patrick Brown's matey.
You can twitch your nose. And she's somewhere.
No,
what
she
twitch
used
mean?
to...
What when you said twitch, what did it mean? What
Usually when you
exactly?
say twitch, you think about like...
So nobody can twitch them nose? No, you're twitching your face.
No.
It's just your nose. It's your face you're twitching. Just your nose alone must twitch.
The girl I'm with used to do this.
Yeah,
Didn't she use her finger?
I know, Samantha? Samantha, I used to go.
Didn't she use her finger?
No.
Oh, which I was watching. No, that's your mouth.
Can't twitch your nose. Can you wiggle your ear? No, without your hand, man, sure.
I can't, but you must be able to because your ear, Nev,
No,
is
it might
an
look like
independent part
when
of your body.
Lick it, when Breeze lick it and it goes, it might look like.
Just try.
I cannot do it.
You must.
I don't know which muscle to use to move my ear.
You must. It's a muscle by itself. Come.
Yes, I cannot do it. Raise one eyebrow.
I've seen people do this. See, The Rock can cook it up. Scott, can't you do this? Scott? Yeah, of course you can. Scott, you need to come from behind the board and show the people.
Raise one eyebrow.
Try it now. But she's cracking. No, not cross your eye.
I went with
Raise your eye. But much better.
Well, if I go so I hold it.
Yeah, that counts. Stop. Just stop.
Me I try to raise.
Just stop.
I can raise two of them.
Oh, you must can do this next.
He's an idiot. I know. I put your fist in your mouth. I do it all the while. I put my foot in my mouth all the while. Oh, remind me, I have to talk about this national hero thing. I put my foot in my mouth.
What did you do?
We didn't do anything, but apparently they had a vox pop about being Jamaican, and there was some confusion because some people are almost saying like there's only 6 national heroes and a heroine, but we just say 7 national heroes normally. So I think some of the online or some of the viewers were saying that myself and probably the other two help with the
stereotyping,
the confusion of it. Oh. We didn't come out and correct everything because so. I said I would say something this morning and I totally forgot.
You just did?
Yeah, but
okay.
But we kind of need to.
Can you please try to put your fist in your mouth?
Impossible.
You know you can do it because your mouth is verbi. Come and try it.
No.
Let me help you.
The next one, I mean, I feel that way.
Yes, dislocated. Be careful.
Lick your elbow. Impossible. It is impossible unless you take it off. Impossible.
It's not enough.
It is impossible
if you do
unless
enough
you
yoga,
take off your elbow.
You do enough yoga. I'm telling you it's not impossible.
It could be elastic, man, you can't do it.
No, because if you do yoga, for example, there's a pose that you go down on your elbows. A plank, for example.
You cannot
you go down far
All
enough with your mouth to your elbow, you can lick your elbow. Do not. Don't. I know you're going to say prove it. Don't. Look how close you are. People who are flexible enough. Yeah, man, pop it off now. You don't need it again. Pop. You look like you're fighting with your elbow. I don't know why.
Swallow your breath? What does that mean?
Swallow and breathe.
Oh, swallow and... Whoa,
if you're a big foodie, you probably haven't noticed that when swallowing your food, you're not breathing.
Swallow and breath? You know the panel word, so that is not breathe.
Okay. I have to close my eyes.
What you trying to do?
When you swallow, you're not breathing. So you have to, because I guess you're actually blocking the passage. So then where would the air come from?
So, you know I'm not breathing? I am breathing, I just did it.
So this said, you may slow down and take a couple of breaths in between bites. I never realized that. That's like the closing the eye and sneezing one. Taste food without saliva. You cannot, or you can. Is it saying that you can?
What do you mean taste food without saliva? What does that mean? What do you mean taste food without saliva? I don't understand.
Our saliva is so precious. It serves some really important purposes. Not only does it stop bad breath, without our precious saliva, we can't dissolve food chemicals in order to taste food.
But I don't understand what you mean by taste.
You cannot taste food without saliva reacting with the food. So if you drain out all the saliva out of your body, you cannot taste.
This one I know this one I know you couldn't do, because I've been asking people to do it. So you can't go so and make a 6, because as soon as you go so your foot start going the other way.
What do you mean?
You cannot do it. I tried it. Go so.
We're making clockwise.
Go so.